This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, Physics, homework number 19, question number 11. A particle of mass 12 grams, well, I should write that immediately as my mass equals 0.012 kilograms before I get messed up. That's 12 grams. And a charge of 20 microcoulombs. So my charge, Q, is going to be 20 times 10 to the minus 6th coulombs. That's 20 microcoulombs. Is released from rest when it is 68 centimeters. So my R is the distance, is 68 centimeters. Well, I know that's 0.68 meters. From a second particle of charge negative 23 microcoulombs. So my Q2, let me make this Q1. Q2 is going to be negative 23 microcoulombs. That's negative 23 times 10 to the minus 6th coulombs. Determine the magnitude of the initial acceleration of the particle. Wait a second. Oh, I get it. From all of this, I can figure out my force, which is going to be K Q1 Q2 over R squared. If I know the force and I know the mass, then I can get myself the acceleration. So if I plug all of this into the electric force, I'm going to wind up with some number for that. So that is going to be K, which is, they don't give it to me, and I know that it's close enough, so I'm just going to have 9 times 10 to the 9th. Q1 is going to be 20 times 10 to the minus 6th. Q2 is going to be negative 23 times 10 to the minus 6th. And R squared is going to be 0.68 squared. So that's going to give me my electric force. Well, my acceleration is my force divided by my mass, because F equals ma. So I want A, it's going to be F divided by m. So that's going to be the force I get there divided by the mass of 0.012. And that will give me my acceleration of this object. Now for question 11, it's asking for the acceleration. Oh, it says the magnitude of the initial acceleration. So even though this will give you a negative because of that, this will give you a negative because of that still, it says the magnitude, so you're going to want to enter it as a positive answer.